In this video, I will show you how to create an Upwork client account. First, open your browser and search upwork.com on the address bar. Click on sign up to create your account on Upwork. Click on the relevant option where you want to join as a client or freelancer. Click on I am a client and then click on join as a client. Add your personal information, including your name, email address, country, and more. Make sure that you are adding correct and accurate information. Turn on the option that you agree to all the terms and conditions. Click on Create My Account to continue. You will see a confirmation message that your account has been created. Tell them about your business. First, choose the number of employees in your business. Enter your company name. Scroll down and click on Continue. Start your first job posting using AI, or you can create yourself without AI. Describe what you are looking for in just a sentence or two and click on Continue. Tell something about the budget like fixed or hourly. Add information and click on Continue. Your job post will be ready and it will ask for confirmation. After the confirmation, you can post your job post. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on Upwork. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.